If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. With the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and
Oh, dog, I'm laughing already now because I know this video is going to be jokes. Yo, so first in the face I hear the voice, you know, say kogency, for the kogency Rocks channel. And today we have Golden Goals, Horrid1, aka Trinidad's name. I would have never said that, you understand? But I've never seen him play ball either. But Horrid1, he's never told us about him playing ball. The only points Horrid1 tell us about scoring is those road points, you understand? So I wouldn't know if he's Neymar or not. But we're going to sit to the dog, so I don't want to waste any more time. Hit that like or dislike button, jump in the comments, carpet all the comments, and let's go.
What's good, people? Adi here, and you're watching a brand new show brought to you by Groundworks.
Yeah, big up Groundworks, eh?
I'll be having a different guest on each episode, and I get to put their football skills to the test as they attempt to score some iconic goals.
Man trying to do a bicycle kick and baiting.
How it works is that my guest will spin a wheel twice.
Whoa, look at these legendary goals.
As they attempt to score some iconic goals.
Fam, the Roberto Carlos free kick, the Henry volley, the flick up and volley, the Zidane volley against AC Milan. Which Joe Cole volley that? Which Joe Cole volley is that? I don't remember, you know. Which Joe Cole volley is that? I don't know. I remember the Wayne Rooney bicycle kick and Van Persie diving header from the World Cup. But which Joe Cole volley? I don't know, man. But yo, let's go.
How it works is that my guest will spin a wheel twice, and I will have 3 attempts to replicate the goal.
Bombard! Watch it!
Bonus round at the end.
Yeah!
Then we pick a goal from the wheel, and I have to attempt that goal as well. My guest only needs to get 1 shot in for each iconic goal.
Yeah. What's your man, bro? This is amazing.
To do so will result in a forfeit.
A forfeit?
Let's see if my guest has what it takes.
Alright, Horrid, Hunch.
Alright, cool. Here today we got Horrid1.
Trinidad Neymar.
Trinidad, we got Trinidad
Neymar.
Okay, so
fam, you can't make big claims like this and do live up to it, you know.
we got a game for you called Golden Goals. I'm gonna show him how it's done because I think I'm better than Neymar from Trinidad, the supposed alleged Neymar from Trinidad.
What?
Roberto Carlos free kick.
How am I gonna do that? I can't do that.
Quickly though, you know.
Fam, nobody can do that, bro.
Is everything okay with your whole apparatus? Because you have a bracelet.
Man, have the ankle monitor, bro. I seen some like US pages. They're shocked that the man them over in the UK, they have chargers for their ankle monitor, bro. So the body will just walk around all day with them charger on, or whenever it need to charge, them charge it when it start beep. You understand? Because you can't make it dead. Because if it dead, you're going back to jail. You understand? But anyway, man, the man is fully about to play with an ankle monitor on.
No, don't
On
worry.
your leg. Are you sure you're okay, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Shout out to the ankle bracelets.
Shout out to the ankle bracelets. Aye, man.
This one's a bit tricky still.
It's a sticky one still.
I ain't really an outside of the boot guy. We gotta make it clear, innit?
Yeah, man.
They don't think I'm shit.
Bomba! No, let's look at where the goal is and let's look at where from the ball. And look at him, he's fully in the air as well, you know, bro. He put effort into this kick. Man, the ball went. Yo, Horrid1, dog. You need some football lesson, dog. I swear. Watch it, man. Bomba!
Doing it, I'm doing it.
Doing it. Come on. At least on target. Bomba! Do it again.
Fuck, man. I can't do this.
It's an inch closer.
Let's go.
Let's go, man. Boom! At least he got like a height on this one, but Horrid1, this is horrible, bro. It's horrible.
That one was tricky still.
Horrid1, this is hard.
Fuck
I
it.
swear.
You failed.
Yeah, I know, man. Obviously, I wasn't prepared for that one there. I did say that one was going to be a bit mad. I wasn't really outside of the boot guard.
No, but the bravado that you came with initially showed that you had something in the chamber. But clearly, nothing came to manifest.
Hey, there was our next guy, you know. He did a I think it was a Groundnuts production again. Billy Billions and Digga D had to make like cell meals. They had to use their kettle to make meals that they would make in their cell. And the nigga was just dissing up the man them, and I'm like, fam, this guy must have been from the roads to be talking like this to these guys, bro. Billy Billions say, man can't tell me about gunplay. I done 3 shootings in 1 day. And man just styling up Billy B and Billy Billions and Digga D, man. Obviously like jokingly, but certain man can't do that, bro. But anyway, let's go.
As we can see here is Joe Cole, volley versus Sweden. That's the edge of the box one.
Which one is that? Let me see that one, man. He just chested it and then bang. Do I remember that, dog? I don't remember that, you know, bro. Watch it, now the chest. Boom! Boom, bro!
Look here, that's dead.
Fuck, man.
That's not
No, but that, no, but...
He's missed the goal completely. And it was stupid.
No.
I said that was rubbish now, but that ball went super far, bro. Look at this. Watch it. Man!
Fuck!
Look here.
Fam, you're disrespecting Trinidad and you're disrespecting Neymar right now, bro. Hunch, you need to fix up, man.
That's dead.
That's dead.
That's not
No, but that, no, but...
He's missed the goal completely. And it was stupid.
No.
Come on, in the chest. Bang.
No,
Alright, let's go. Fuck it.
What, that don't count, that don't count. No, wait, that don't count, no, wait, that don't count. That don't count.
You're doing good,
Does that count? That don't count.
good, fam.
I had to move out the way and some thing. Does that count? Does that count? Does that count?
That's your man there. Yes, it counts, man. Chest. Boom. At least it went in the direction of the goal, bro. That's the first shot that actually went in the direction of the goal.
Cool, that's
Man
cool.
said, fuck.
Everyone's safe. No one got hurt. There's kids out over there. So yeah, it is what it is, man.
It is what it is, man.
We got the bonus round. You get to pick one.
Yeah.
Which one you going for, bro?
The Rooney bicycle kick against City.
Yeah.
We're gonna
Injured.
Yeah, man said injured.
do this thing.
Man said injured and he wants to do a bicycle kick. Alright, bro. I did not say you tapped in the head, you know.
Try and do the Rooney kick as well. I think I'll go on smash. You sure you can do this?
Yeah, of course.
Actually, you're gonna be right with your hair and that, doing like a wig cap or something.
Man said wig cap. Wayne Rooney. Legendary bicycle kick, man. Don't ramp with it, man.
Go.
Yeah. Bicycle. Hey, shot on target. Hey, let's give him a clap for the shot on target, bro. It's the first shot on target for the video. Give him a clap. Come on.
Now that was good still. I read the ball a bit wrong there. I got this. Let's go.
What's it? No. You see, but that shouldn't count because they never gave him the ball to set up for the bicycle kick, so they should do that over. But that's not fair. But your man try back heel.
You're getting packed, watch.
I say, okay,
Watch this.
packed.
Watch this.
I believe him. Boom! It was almost there. Way too high though.
Now it's my turn to try
Aye.
this Rooney kick.
Let's see, man. Rotted. What God? I thought you said you was better.
Cause that was even it wasn't even
That's
low.
how my ones was though.
It was low.
That's how my ones was. That was a 1 out of 10.
No,
That was terrible.
That's terrible, man.
Yeah, like that's perfect. That's good, bro. You could look, you're shit.
What's
You know
your
what I'm saying?
shit?
I got one like that, boy. That would have been a goal.
Wait, what am I supposed to do when that comes like
Bro,
that? Because it's so scary.
Bro, you're meant to jump. You're meant to jump and bicycle it.
But it's very scary as it comes to me. Shout out to all the footballers. It's not easy.
It's not easy, man. The ball in the air, when you going to jump in the air and kick that, fam, those seconds that you're in the air, bro, can feel like a lifetime. And especially if you land wrong.
Yeah.
Boom!
Yo, shit.
Nah, fam. Nah, you're talking way too tough to be performing like this, bro. Hell no.
Today, Trinidad Neymar didn't perform today.
You didn't either, blood.
Just like that.
I done poor.
Poor, man.
Disappointed in myself, you know what I'm saying?
But anyway, shout out Groundworks.
Yeah.
Put this one here together. And yeah, man, you clearly didn't win this one. So
I was poor still,
got some forfeit situation going on.
Alright,
Let's
cool.
see what
What's
happens.
happening? What's happening? Man, if I do a burpee? Oh my God.
I just bare long, you know.
Fam.
How long left, man?
It's your fault for jumping bare high in the beginning. You always started off with your chest black.
Oh my God.
Kept it done. It's done. Clearly,
Listen.
Man had to do burpees for his forfeit, dog.
a baller like
I deserve that
He's
still.
not a baller like that, but maybe he can show himself again some other time.
Some other
but he's not
time.
Really a baller.
Next time
He
we'll do a
knows he's not
football
baller.
match, innit? And we'll see what happens.
Football match, innit? Yo, Digga the Horrid1 and Savo. 5-a-side with ZK and Dodgy. Versus the 98. Oh my God. You have permission to steal that idea, bro. 98 versus CGM, 5-a-side. Easy thing, bro. Millions of views instantly, you know what I'm saying? But yo, Horrid1, bro, don't ever call yourself the Trinidad name ever again, fam. Unless you redeem yourself, bro, I don't want to hear it, you know what I'm saying? But yo, hit that like or dislike button. This video was hilarious. So check it out in the description. Check out my links in the description. Yeah, and jump in the comments, reply to all the comments. Kogency said the Kogency React channel. And I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the 400 quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round to